Hey y'all, welcome to Megan's Wreath Boutique. Today I wanted to show y'all how I made some Lollipop wreath accents out of some foam sheets that I got from Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut the foam sheets into 2-inch wide sections. I'm just using a piece of wood as a straight edge and a rotary cutter. You can use a ruler if you have one available. Also, feel free to use any color foam sheets that you would like. I'm using purple and white for these lollipops, but that was for a Halloween wreath, so you can find a bunch of different colors at Hobby Lobby. So once you have your strips cut, you're going to want one in each color. If you're using two different colors, you're going to fold the strips in half lengthwise, and you're going to glue them right in the middle. Be generous with your hot glue so that it sticks real well. You're going to want to do this to both of the strips that you have cut so that you can glue them together in just a minute to make your lollipop. Okay, so now that we have both of the strips glued in half, we're going to start wrapping them together to make our lollipop. The first thing you're going to want to do is glue the two ends of the strips together. That's going to be your starting point. And after you have, be sure to hold it for a minute just to make sure everything sticks well. And after you have them glued together, you're going to start rolling it into a shape of a lollipop. Okay, and if you'll notice, I am putting the glue down towards where the two folds of the strip meet. The folded part, I guess the crease, is going to be on top of your lollipop, so nobody's going to see where you folded the two strips in half. So you're going to want to put your glue towards the very bottom of those strips so that the glue doesn't seep out the top of your lollipop or the front of your lollipop. It's going to probably come out a little bit underneath, but nobody's going to see the underneath part of your lollipop. So just place the glue further down on the bottom of the strips. So once you have them glued together, you're going to want to start gluing each piece separately or one at a time, just to make sure everything's sticking properly. So we're going to start with the white and glue that section, and then glue the purple right on top of it. Again, gluing towards the bottom of the lollipop. You're going to want to continue doing this until your strips are rolled up completely. And then I have a little bit extra right here, so I'm just going to cut that off just to make it look a little cleaner, so the purple and white end at the same spot. Okay, we're just going to finish up gluing these sections, and then we'll move on to the next step. I'm going to be using actually these are paper straws that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can use a dowel rod, which I actually would recommend using because the paper straws kind of got flimsy on me. or a piece of wire or anything sturdy that you can attach to these lollipops to add into your wreath or centerpiece, whatever you're going to be using these lollipops for. So I'm just going to glue this to the back of the lollipop, and that's going to complete the lollipop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like this video and make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.